What's going on, everybody? Welcome to ProNews Global. We're at the Sony booth at InterBEE 2023. The Sony Alpha 9 Mark III. Now, my first impression of this brand new camera just announced last week, it's very lightweight, surprisingly enough. Very, very lightweight. But you know what sets it apart? Is the global shutter. Yeah, for the first time, for a camera like this, a global shutter. This is a game changer. This camera can be used really well for sports photography, taking pictures of cars going past with that weird, rolling shutter blur that you get, right? I am very excited to try this out. And they surprised us here at the booth today with the camera. They're like, hey, Zach, I know you've been asking about this camera. Well, we got it today, so it is beautiful. Here's the monitor comes out like this. You can shoot it vlogger style. It's amazing. So check it out.